How to cancel your Roblox Premium. Visit the Roblox website and log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually done by clicking on the gear icon or your profile picture avatar, then selecting Settings or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Within your account settings, look for the option related to managing subscriptions or membership. This may be labeled as billing, subscription, or membership. In the subscriptions or membership section, you should see a Roblox Premium subscription listed. Click on it to view more details and manage your subscription settings. Look for an option to cancel your Roblox Premium subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or End Membership. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation process. After selecting the Cancel option, you may be prompted to confirm your decision or provide a reason for cancelling. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the cancellation process. Once you have cancelled your Roblox Premium subscription, verify that the cancellation is successful by checking your account settings or subscription status. You should receive a confirmation email confirming the cancellation. It's essential to cancel your Roblox Premium subscription before the next billing cycle to avoid being charged for another period. Keep in mind that once you cancel your subscription, you may lose access to premium features and benefits associated with Roblox Premium. So I hope this video was helpful, and that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.